Hello everyone, today I am going to open and build this LEGO Insiders Rewards the fish tank. So without further ado, let's open it up and start building. And here we are, I have finished building this fish tank, so without further ado, let's dive in. Here is a close look at the fish tank. Despite its size, I think is very detailed, and you can notice the fish is a marine fish. I think it's a Brutan, the species of dory, and you can see, it's a very nice, neat done fish tank. Unfortunately, though, due to the way it's packaged, I again get the common scratches on the clear piece. There are also plenty of details within the fish tank with different plants, and also two smaller, I think these brickbill fish, or maybe is some kind of other shrimps or crab. I really don't know because it's quite abstract. You may have already noticed some of the movement, and you can see this piece here, and if you kind of move it, you will see the fish kind of swimming around within the tank. I have to say though, it's really not ethical given that the size of the fish and the size of the tank, which probably not the ideal living condition for any fishes. But as a LEGO set, it's a lovely desktop display, and you don't need to break your bank or empty your wallet to buy that big aquarium. And that's it for the LEGO Insider Rewards fish tank. I have to say I have fun building this fish tank. It's a pretty nice alternative to that expensive big tropical fish tank. Whether it's worth the 2,400 insider points, it's really up to you to decide. And there's no exclusive parts included in this particular set, so you can actually buy the parts or use your existing parts to rebuild this set. And once again, despite its size, I think the action feature is pretty cool. Overall, I have fun building this set and I do enjoy it as a small desktop display. Do let me know what you think about this set in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like.